In this movie, we're going to show you exactly how to set up and run a text messaging campaign, specifically a text messaging subscription alert program. There are tons of messaging programs that you can run, including polling, couponing, gaming, quizzes, and more. But the alert program is the mainstay to any ongoing text messaging initiative. The subscription alert program empowers you to build up your text messaging database so that you can reach out to your audience on an ongoing basis. Setting up and managing your text messaging campaigns is extremely straightforward. That is, once you understand the basic terminology, how the industry works, and especially if you've secured a reliable text messaging application provider as a partner. For the purposes of this training, we've been fortunate enough to have Waterfall let us access their platform. Waterfall is a leading text messaging application provider headquartered in San Francisco, California. It is important to note that every text messaging application provider's platform will be different. Their platforms will look different and have slightly different capabilities, but the basic functionality of each platform is the same. That is, you can set up your text messaging program, set up the appropriate user flows, prepare the content, assign a common shortcode and keyword, and send and receive text messages. For the purposes of this training, we're going to focus on setting up a simple text messaging subscription or alert service program. That is, people will text in and subscribe to your program to receive messages from you on an ongoing basis. Here are the steps. You first need to go and get access to your text messaging application provider's platform. In this case, as we noted before, we're using Waterfall. So I'm going to go ahead and log into their platform. Now, when you're first logged in, you're going to see the campaign dashboard. And again, everybody's platform is different. To set up our text messaging campaign, the first thing we need to do is establish a list. The list is essentially the folder that will hold all of the phone numbers for your particular alert service program. In this case, the Two Trees Healthy Olive Oil Alert Service Program. And we're going to give our list a name, like Two Trees Olive Oil Alerts. Perfect. We've now set up our list. So we're going to now go back to campaigns and create our new alert service subscription program. We're going to give it a campaign name. We're going to add a keyword. Remember, the keyword is what you're going to place into the traditional media to promote your program. And I'm going to hit add. We're going to give it a program name, such as Healthy Alerts. And then here you can specify the frequency of your message. That is, how many messages will the subscriber receive in any given month? Let's say, in our case, they'll receive no more than 5 messages a month. Now, these are the basic elements of setting up your campaign. Next, you need to add the component to your campaign. And you'll see that there's many types of components that you can add. You can have simply sending them a text message, or posting a URL, or maybe you're offering a text-to-win program, as we've discussed before. But in the case of this demonstration, we're going to be setting up a basic subscription alert service program. And we're hit OK. Once you've added the component, you need to specify then the elements of the component. So the first element you're going to specify is assigning the list, the Two Trees Olive Oil Alert Service list. Next, you'll want to specify the type of opt-in that will be required for the program. And there's 2 basic opt-in types, single opt-in and double opt-in. What single opt-in refers to is someone can text message in your program, and the second they do so, they're immediately opted in, and they'll receive the thank you message back from you. A double opt-in is the process where they need to provide you confirmation that, in fact, that they really do actually want to opt in for your program. So in this case, what happens when they text message in, if you specify double opt-in, the system will send them back a text message asking them to confirm that they want to be part of your program. In which case, it will say, are you sure you want to join the Two Trees Healthy Alerts program? Please reply yes. As soon as they reply yes, then you can opt them in. But in the case of our demonstration here, we're simply going to do a single opt-in. Next, you want to specify your confirmation message. This is the message that you're going to send once they've successfully opted into your program. Such as, thanks for joining the Two Trees Healthy Alerts program. In your first confirmation message, you must also include the legal language necessary to be adherent to the industry requirements, such as text stop to end, help for info, include the frequency content, and the message and data rates may apply. And then you'll also want to make sure that the terms and conditions URL link is included in the message. And then finally, you want to add a message if they've already subscribed to your program, such as, thanks. Once you've completed the entire form, you simply hit Save Campaign, and your campaign is now saved, and you're ready to start sending alerts to your program. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your first text messaging alert service program. The next step is to actually start promoting your program and getting people to opt into your list. And as we discussed in the previous video, you do this by including your call to actions within your traditional media and inviting people to message in. So once you've set up your text messaging alert service program and you've had people opt in, the next step is to start sending them messages. The way you go about doing that, you simply click on the message window. You then specify and select which list, in this case, the Two Trees Olive Oil Alerts list that you want to send a message to, and click Add. You then type the message that you want to send to them, such as, get 10% off your next purchase of Two Trees Olive Oil, use coupon code 12345. And then, when you're ready to send the message, you simply scroll down and hit send. Next, you can send yourself a text message, or if you're ready to go and you're happy with your message, you can hit send now, and the message is going to get sent to your entire list. There you go. We've just sent the message. And that's it. Those are the basic steps for setting up a text messaging campaign. You set up your campaign, you promote your campaign, and then you start sending messages.